Hello, this is my first video, I believe, my second video of this year. Haven't been on because I didn't know what to post ever since I don't really do mukbangs anymore like that. This is not gonna be a long video, but it's gonna be a short video. I'm just doing an unboxing on some of the things that I have gotten in the mail. Pretty much, I'm gonna just talk to you about it and let you know why I got what I got. So the first thing I'm gonna unbox is this here. This is my shaver. So let me see. This is the back coming. I got the charger. They gave me a brush that'll come in. Let's see. This is the brush. Guess to clean it out or whatever. This is the instructions. How it work. This system. So it cut really good. It's cut really good. And then you got this here. Okay. Okay, I want to talk to you all about this. I gotta be pretty much careful of dropping this type of stuff. The reason why I got this is because I recently been doing my own hair units, and to do a hair unit, you have to shave your top of your head, and so I use the one I had, which got broken. I usually use that. You see, okay, yeah. I usually use that, so you can turn it on. So I end up was cutting my brother hair. Okay, now let's keep on saying 60. I did cut it. Also, it gotta be charged. Someone cut it off. Hopefully this blue thing can go out. Okay, it'll let me know how to work it. I had to look how to work it, whatnot. Oh, it went off. It went off. So that's that. Um. So I do my own hair. I do my own hair. And I brought this because the other one that I had broke because it fell on the floor. So that's why I got this. It may one day I may just go bald, and so I'll be able to use this to get my hair shaved. However, that's one of the things I want to unbox. This second thing is something somebody I know on TikTok. I met her, and she wanted to do something nice for me, and so she said she was gonna send me something. So we're gonna check that out together. What it is she deciding to send me. So I'm gonna unbox that for you all. Let me see. I may need some scissors. Oh, she put a lot of tape on this. I think I'm on to. Oh, there we go. It's open. Okay, we got it open. So yeah, that's so nice. Oh, that's so nice. I gotta show you all. So she gave me some hooks. You know what? Anytime somebody give you something, it's a gift, and they ain't have to do it. I'm gonna be appreciative of it. I'm gonna be thankful of it and grateful of it. And yeah, sure enough, she gave me a lot of hooks. I got a lot of hooks. Oh, this is so nice. Like a kit, almost. I got a lot of these. I got the measuring tape. Ah, I got scissors. I got a lot of darn needles. Wow. I got a lot of stitch markers. Like somebody that's starting out, this would be a good kit to give them. Cause all they need just is the yarn. But look at these hooks. For those who don't know, I crochet. When I've been crocheting, I enjoy crocheting. So I could switch hooks. I could use these hooks. That's nice. Like, wow, that's really nice of her. I'm appreciating what she giving me. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. So I have a whole lot of products. These are two things that we unboxed today. And I'm gonna enjoy my products. Remember, if you all haven't done so just yet, remember feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be on talking, doing things, showing you all things. Um, you know, I could show you some things that I made. Let me see. Um, what can I show you all that I have made? Okay, I'll show you some hats, some beanies I have made. Hold on, I'll be back. So I crochet, like I say, and these are some of the things I have made recently. I have made this hat here. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh man, I love it. 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 This is a Toon Tone white hat. Okay. I made this here a cat beanie. I like the pink and the blue. Just complement each other. Remind me of like a raspberry, strawberry type of thing. That looks really good. This is the granny square that I made, and I recently made this here. Let me put it. Yeah, this is like the cat beanie. I made a whole lot of hats, and these just a few. And the recent one that I made is this one here. Okay, this one that I made, and a lot of people like this hat here. This one here. So you all, that's what I have been doing. Uh, and I also make bracelets. Oh, I sell these hats. I sell everything that I make. Oh, also I may have made these here. I'm still working on the other one. So I made this. Teletubbies. I made those. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I do a lot of videos on TikTok. And that's all I'll be doing. I'll be creating and making things and things like that. So you all have a wonderful, blessed day. This has been a long video, but this video was positive and straight to the point. 10 minutes, not too bad. It's not too long, but hey, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos. Comment your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.